If you want to start day trading but you don't know how, this is the best video for you because I'm going to be going through the best way to start trading, and it'll save you a lot of headaches and just help you become profitable a lot quicker. And quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is just how I would start if I had to restart everything again. So first order of business, you're actually going to need a broker. I personally use Webull, but if you don't live in the US, it's not going to be available. So I recommend TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and I also recommend TradingView, but TradingView is just going to be for charting. You're not going to place trades on there unless you want to, of course, but it's easier on Webull. Now keep in mind, different platforms have different purposes, such as MetaTrader 4 or 5, you can trade FOREX a lot easier on that one. Depends on what you want to trade. Let me know if you want a video on that. But anyways, now that you have a broker, you're going to need a strategy. I personally use Smart Money Concepts or the Silver Bullet strategy. It was created by ICT on YouTube, and TJR Trades also teaches it pretty good on YouTube. And that's just the personal one I use. You don't have to use mine. It's just whatever works for you. So now that you have your broker and a strategy, you're going to want to test the strategy using something called paper trading. Paper trading is great for when you start out. It's trading but with fake money, but the concepts are the same. But during this time, you're going to want to learn how to size your positions, set a correct stop loss, how to do proper risk management. All these are very important in your long-term trading, and doing this will save you a lot of headaches in the future. Now, if you have any questions, I actually do have a Discord. Don't worry, it's completely free. I'm not selling anything. But if you have any questions, go in there, ask a question. I'll be happy to answer. Yeah, just wanted to point that out.